Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting a default account picture for all your user accounts on Windows 10. So generally, you're allowed to set a custom profile icon picture for your accounts, but perhaps you're an administrator or you just don't want somebody else adjusting these images. In today's tutorial, I'm going to just require all users on the computer to use the default account picture icon. So pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So there is a group policy editor method that is available. However, just to accommodate the Windows 10 home users as well, we're going to do the registry editor method. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. This result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Now you want to begin by creating a backup of the registry, so if anything were to go wrong you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it is very simple. You would select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Export range should be kept at all, and save it to a convenient location on your computer or perhaps external drive if you prefer. And if you ever need to restore it back, you would just select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward process. And now we're ready to begin. So we want to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. You want to do the same thing now for the software folder. And then you want to look for Microsoft, double click on that. Locate Windows, double click on that as well. Should be a current version folder, double click on that. And then locate policies, double click on that. And now it should be an Explorer folder, just left click on that one time. Before we proceed, if you just had to catch up, you can pause the video and take note of the file path up at the top of the screen here that we've gone to. Each backslash is a different folder we've gone under. You're also welcome to pause the video, rewatch the video if you want. You have a lot of different options there. So anyway, on the right side, we're going to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. You want to name this value use default tile. Exactly as it appears on my screen, the first letter of each word should be capitalized, no spaces in between any of these words. So again, use default tile, hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and double click on it. Set the value data to 1, just type the number 1 in there. Base should be hexadecimal by default, and then go select OK. Once that's done, you can just close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.